President Cooper come up and give you a little bit more information.
Thank you, Mayor. On behalf of St. Tammany Parish, I want to thank Governor Edwards and his team for his support before, during, and after this event, and particularly for the 6 events that preceded this that put St. Tammany Parish in the cone of uncertainty. We experienced much of the same that has been expressed already. We've had down power lines, down power poles, down trees that has put power out, power outages. As of last night, we had over 80,000 customers without power. At this time, we're down to about 67,000 customers without power. Our Public Works Department this morning immediately deployed chainsaws and equipment to remove down trees from our local roadways for the benefit of our citizens to be able to get out and for the benefit of emergency vehicles as well. They're working strenuously to continue removing trees throughout the day until this task is completed. With regard to our local power agencies, Entergy, CLECO, and Washington St. Tammany Electric, they too are working tirelessly to reestablish services to our citizens. Before the storm, CLECO, our largest power provider, had pre-positioned assets at North Shore Square and Pelican Park in order to be able to immediately mobilize today after the storm. We have utility companies from other jurisdictions that are assisting, and our citizens may not see all CLECO trucks. They may see trucks of different colors and with men with different colored hard hats out working to get power restored. I can assure you that they have identified the transmission lines and the distribution lines that have been affected, and they are working strategically to get power restored to our citizens. I also want, and I ask our citizens to be patient during this time. They have indicated that, of course, it's not going to be a matter of hours or a matter of a day. It may be several days before power is restored across our entire parish. So I ask, again, our citizens to be patient and understanding of this fact that we continue to work for that to get power restored. I also want to indicate that St. Tammany Parish schools, public schools, will be closed again tomorrow. They have indicated that due to the power outages and other situations that schools will not be held tomorrow. Our offices at Coop Drive, St. Tammany Parish government offices, will be open tomorrow. We ask our employees to come back. We've been working remotely to serve our citizens during this time, but we'll be back at the office tomorrow to continue to serve our citizens. I also stress the importance of safety, while you're driving out on the highways with the traffic signals not operating properly, just taking all safety precautions that have been expressed earlier. So again, on behalf of St. Tammany Parish, I ask our citizens to be patient and understanding. We will keep you apprised as matters and conditions warrant, and we ask that you continue to listen to our media alerts, and our next press conference will be tomorrow with further updates. So thank you very much.